Stabia, and today I'm going to be cooking for the very first time some Melomakarona, which are Greek Christmas cookies, which are spicy with a little bit of orange zest. And the recipe I'm going to be using is the one that MasterChef winner, champion, Irini Tzortzoglou has just posted on her website. And here it is. I'm particularly excited because she's chosen to use in it one of our extra virgin olive oils. She's used the house gold, Cretan house gold, which is a blend of Koronaki and Sunati olives. It's got a really gentle, sweet, mellow taste, which is actually ideal for desserts and sweet cooking. So it's a really fantastic choice by Irini, so thank you. You can go for the full recipe to Irini's website, which is irinicooks.com, and in addition, of course, to this recipe, there are hundreds of other super recipes, and her book is coming out in the next few months. So the first thing we do is make the dough. So in here I've got some sugar. I need to add the olive oil, which is already measured out in here, and then some cinnamon. And in Greek cooking, never go short of certain spices: cinnamon, cloves, ginger, allspice, but especially cinnamon. And I think the calls for a quarter of a teaspoon, and some freshly ground cloves. And then some orange zest, which I did earlier from this orange, and 25 ml of brandy. And this is a pomegranate brandy, which I was given by a farmer in Crete. So I'm going to try that. And as Irini says, stir it or beat it until the sugar has dissolved. I'm going to switch over to the beater now. So here they are, ready to go into the oven. So whilst the cookies are baking, we make the syrup. And this consists of some hot water, some sugar, which I'm adding now, and we stir that until it starts boiling. Boil it for a few minutes. And the honey I'm going to use in this recipe is a Cretan pine and thyme honey. The honey has got a beautiful texture. It's dark golden.